Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby and welcome back to the channel. It's Stamp and Die of the Month Hop and we are doing a giveaway. All you have to do is hop to each creator by clicking the hashtag N2S Donut Fun. You'll see all the videos pop up. Hop to each one, leave a comment, and subscribe if you like what you see. Come back to my Rafflecopter link that's in the description box to enter into the giveaway. This giveaway is going to end on June 14th, and I will post the winner on the YouTube community tab. So we are going to be making some fun projects with the Stamp of the Month Donut Fun. This is so cute. We've got these cute donuts dressed in costume. We've got a little panda donut, a fox donut, bear donut, and a cat donut, and then you got your regular donut with sprinkles. We've got some extra sprinkles here to decorate your background. We've got sentiments: don't worry, be happy, just roll with it, I hope this card makes you smile, I do not know how to thank you, donuts fix everything, thanks a whole bunch. So really fun. And there is a coordinating die, so if you sign up for the Stamp of the Month Club, you just get the stamp. But if you sign up for the Stamp and Die of the Month Club, it'll come with a die. And the dies do come on magnet sheets in the club. There is an error on this month's die. The cat donut, the inside hole is not lined up properly. So if you already received the die, I will be shipping the replacement out as soon as that arrives. The manufacturer has rushed the replacement, so I shouldn't be waiting too long. If you do place a new order, I might hold your order for a few days in case I get my tracking number and my package arrives quickly. That way I don't have to do 2 shipments. So just be patient. I will get that out to you as soon as possible. So I'm going to be working with our brand new tag, which is the Farm Fresh tag. I'm going to use the tag, but not the farm parts. And then I'm going to use this month's paper pads. We have summer donuts and summer gingham. So really super cute, and it goes very nicely with the stamp set. So this is kind of summery and tropical, and so much donut fun in here. So I'm going to take some of the sheets, and there's also those cute cutouts. And the coordinating ephemera is on pre-order. That I'm hoping it'll get here by June 15th. So if you had ordered the donut ephemera or the farm floral ephemera, your order's on hold. Unless you had placed 2 orders, then I was able to ship one of your orders and then hold the other shipment for the ephemera. So hopefully that arrives quickly so I can get your orders shipped out ASAP. So far I've colored in the little panda, and I've colored in the plain donut. I colored in the fox, and I'm going to work on coloring in the bear. I'll do that really quickly and then we'll put the card together. So for my browns, I'm using E37, E33, and E11. tags cut out, I'm going to use the mini paper doilies from Doodlebug Design. And I also cut a half of a scalloped oval. I just want something to anchor my little images. So I'm going to start adhering everything down. We'll start with this one with the chocolate background. I'm going to use the Barely Art glue. So you can find this glue in my shop. It's under Scrappy Goodness and then Barely Art. This little strip here is part of the tag. It's part of the tag die, so I'm just going to add that to the bottom. Breaks up the little scallops. And I'm going to pop up my image. Okay, I have foam tape on the back. I'm going to add some white Jelly Roll pen to the donuts. This makes it look rounded. And I got out of the lines right there, so I'll just cover that up with my Jelly Roll pen. And I'm going to add some twine. That'll make it look really cute. Okay, I got all my donuts tied up. I've got all my tags tied up. And now I'm going to add some enamel dots. These are our brand new sparkle enamel dots. And they seem to go with everything. There's always a color that will match. So the pink looks nice and this very light yellow. So I am going to add those. I have 2 left over from another pack. So let's add 2 of those. Let's add some yellow to this one. Okay, so that is going to do it. I hope you guys like these cute little tags. All the products will be in the description box if you're looking for anything. And let's get a closer look real quick, and then you can hop on to the next person in the hop and see what they created for you. Super, super fun. Cute little tag shape. And I love the stamp set, it's so cute. So thank you guys for stopping by. Brand new to the channel, you can join the channel membership down below by clicking that join button right next to the subscribe button. You'll see the perks you get when you join. There's 2 different tiers. I'd love it if you'd support me by joining the channel membership. And I will talk to you guys real soon. Take care, guys.